let's cook a steak. Guys, I'm so excited. I have a grass-fed steak from White Oak Pastures and then an organic steak from the grocery store. And we're gonna compare which one is better. I took these out about 45 minutes to an hour ago just so that they can get to room temperature. I put them in a towel to dry them off. I also prepared some carrots. I just cut the carrots up and drizzled some oil over them with salt, pepper, garlic. I set my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm just gonna pop these in for about 30 minutes. I've got my cast iron skillet. We have most of the ingredients for our steak, but we've gotta go to the garden and get some thyme. Follow me. Okay guys, let's put some oil in this cast iron skillet. I'm using this expensive as mess oil. I don't even know how to say it. Terra Delisa Premium Extra Virgin Olive Oil, cold pressed. Not just cold pressed, first cold pressed. Put your oven on like a medium high heat. And you're going to heat this oil until it starts to smoke. While we're waiting for this oil to heat up, I want to tell you guys, I know in a previous video I said that I personally don't like to eat steaks unless it's the steak that Andrew cooks. But this, you guys, is, I almost want to say it's better than Andrew's steak. Not sure how he's gonna feel about that though. These steaks are at room temperature. We're just gonna season them with salt and pepper. You wanna make sure that they are dry though first. You don't wanna put too much salt on these steaks because you know how I said in my grilling video that the salt kind of cooks off? Well, when you're cooking it on the cast iron skillet, it does not cook off like that. So you do not want as much salt as you would put if you were grilling. So make sure to pat that salt in. You do want to get the sides, so I just put a little bit extra salt on the napkin and just pat my sides. Now you want to put your pepper on. The skillet is smoking. Let's put these steaks on. And you're just going to sear them for 2 minutes. While that's cooking for 2 minutes on that side, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my garlic. Take the palm of your hand and smash it. And then you just, after you get it with your palm, you just peel the peeling off of the garlic. When your 2 minutes is up, sear all the sides of the steak. Okay, after you have seared both sides of the steak for 2 minutes, you want to drop the heat to a medium low. Add in half a stick of butter. Add in your thyme that you've rinsed and dried. And add in your garlic. As this butter melts, you want to be basting the butter over the steak. Guys, the aroma of garlic and thyme and steak and butter, it's so good. These steaks are done. I'm gonna put them on separate plates because the grass-fed one is gonna be Andrew's and the store-bought one is gonna be mine, but we are gonna try both of them and compare them. And I like to take the butter from the skillet and put it over the steaks. And I am so hungry, so let's dig in. This is the grass-fed one.
That's good.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Pretty hard to.
Yeah, I kind of can't tell the difference.
Yeah, that tastes pretty much the same.
I will say the grass-fed one has like
Better taste.
has some type of taste to it. Like, I don't know if it's better, it's definitely not worse. And you can tell a difference, but they both taste really good.
That's good.
So we're gonna go eat. If you like the content you saw today, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you want to see more of. Until next time.